I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your eSIM to a new iPhone can seem daunting, but it is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility check and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Back up your old iPhone. Before making any changes, back up your old iPhone to iCloud or your computer. This ensures you don't lose any important data during the transfer. Step 3. Remove eSIM from old iPhone. Move to Settings Cellular, select your eSIM plan, remove cellular plan. This will deactivate the eSIM on your old device. Step 4. Set up eSIM on new iPhone. On your new iPhone, go to Settings Cellular, add cellular plan. Scan the QR code provided by Telstra or enter the details manually. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once you've added the eSIM, confirm that it is activated by checking the cellular settings. You should see your Telstra plan listed and active. Remember, if you encounter any issues, sometimes toggling airplane mode on and off can help refresh the connection. Good luck with your new iPhone.